Bauhaus Dessau in Dessau, Germany is the second and best known home of the renowned Bauhaus school. The Bauhaus Dessau holds its place in history because it emerged as the first physical example of the ideals inherent in modernism and the new international style. Walter Gropius designed the Bauhaus Dessau according to his new belief in the synthesis of art and mass production. The building is a product of painters, decorators, metalworkers, letterers, and most importantly, architects. Gropius turned to his students for this important work. Students produced the first conceptual designs and details for the new building. The architecture of the Bauhaus Dessau is meant to be functional and yet beautiful. Gropius eschewed traditional, heavy, and formalized German architecture in favor of a thoroughly modern structure. Christian Baumann argues that the aim was to encourage the user's conscious perception of spatial principles, construction, color, and materiality. The plan of the building was revolutionary in its efficient division and placement of places for work, study, instruction, living, administration, and assembly. Abandoning symmetry and traditional forms, Gropius's three-wing building links together all aspects of the Bauhaus education in a coherent complex. New materials and new construction techniques also allowed Gropius to design a new type of building. Gropius turned to the city for the new, mass-produced, prefabricated materials. The Bauhaus Dessau melds an industrially produced glass and steel facade with an economically built, reinforced concrete construction. As Patricia Harris explains, Gropius abandoned the old idea of emphasizing the mass of a building in favor of articulating the volume to be encapsulated within. He did this through extensive glass exteriors and skeleton frame concrete interiors. Observing the Bauhaus Dessau conjures up ideas of privilege. A school building, the Bauhaus necessarily requires rooms for lectures and administration, a library, offices, workshops, and studio space. However, the hallways open to unique, interesting views of the building. The studios enjoy private views. The administration bridge looks down powerfully on the street below. Every location in the building feels unique and private, not to be repeated through the mindless symmetry of romanticism. This is a triumph of Gropius's design. While physically built using repetitious and uniform, mass-produced steel and concrete forms, every space within the Bauhaus Dessau is embodied with privilege and a sense of purpose. While the institution Gropius founded was forced to close within 2 short decades, the ideas he founded the Bauhaus still remain with us today and can be seen in almost every piece of work we do.